Welcome to FinTickAI's Market Analysis for March 20th, 2026. Today, Nifty 50 closed at 23,114.50, and Bank Nifty closed at 53,427.05. Want to stay ahead of the markets? Hit that subscribe button right now for your daily and weekly edge on Nifty, Bank Nifty, and in-depth sectoral analysis. The Nifty 50 staged a relief rally, closing 0.49% higher. This rebound was supported by the IT sector and cooling crude oil prices. However, the broader market remains technically fragile, trading below all major moving averages. Looking at Nifty 50's technical indicators, we see the RSI at 29.7 and stochastic oscillator at 19.1. Day MACD is at minus 583.3, and the MACD signal is at minus 465.1. Moving averages indicate the index is below all 8 SMAs, with no active candlestick pattern. The Nifty 50 shows both bullish and bearish signals. Bullish signs include defending the 23,000 support and an oversold RSI. Bearish factors are a compromised structural trend below the 200-day SMA and an elevated India VIX. Across all timeframes, from 5-day to 200-day, the Nifty 50 is currently trading below its simple moving averages. This reinforces the cautious market sentiment. Key levels for Nifty 50 include immediate resistance at 23,277.12 and support at 22,828.77. Market bias probabilities lean towards sideways at 45%, followed by bullish at 35% and bearish at 20%. The Bank Nifty was a laggard, closing marginally lower by 0.04% at 53,427.05. Selling pressure and heavyweight private lenders neutralized any upside momentum, and structural vulnerability remains high. Bank Nifty's technical indicators show RSI at 28.8 and stochastic oscillator at 16.2. Both MACD readings are in significant negative territory. Moving averages are below all 8 SMAs, and a long-legged doji is noted as the candlestick pattern. This slide reiterates the Bank Nifty technical indicators, emphasizing the overall bearish readings and the index trading below its key moving averages. Bank Nifty market signals indicate some bullish potential due to the long-legged doji and an extremely low stochastic setting up for short covering bounces. However, bearish signals dominate with an established overhead supply zone and trading below major SMAs. Similar to Nifty 50, the Bank Nifty is trading below all its simple moving averages across all examined timeframes, confirming bearish structural weakness. Bank Nifty's immediate resistance is at 53,987.33, and immediate support is at 53,077.63. The recovery trigger is 54,523.67. The bias is bearish, with a 45% probability, 35% sideways, and 20% bullish. The top 5 NSE market gainers today included JSW Steel, Tech Mahindra, and Tata Steel, with strong percentage gains and high trading volumes, primarily in the metals and IT sectors. The top 5 losers were led by Hindalco Industries and HDFC Bank Limited, with declines of 2.5%. Many of these stocks, particularly in the metals and banking sectors, saw a key support level of 880 being broken. The 52-week high watch highlights strength in defensive sectors. Stocks like CCL Products India and Coal India Limited showed sustained volume breakouts and momentum, indicating institutional accumulation and trend continuation. Legacy financials and select names continue to endure sustained distribution. Stocks like Aptus Value Housing and Gale India Limited are on the 52-week low watch due to steep downtrend acceleration and structural breakdowns below long-term SMAs. Our top 4 trending stocks include 3 bullish movers: JSW Steel, Tech Mahindra, and Infosys. HDFC Bank is bearish, witnessing relentless selling pressure and a decisive close below key support. Major events include the U.S. Federal Reserve's hawkish stance, raising fears of higher interest rates. Today's news impact shows Brent crude cooling to $107 per BBL and the Nifty IT index surging over 2%. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Please read all related documents carefully before investing. This report is for educational purposes only.